a scammer will always be a scammer from Scamatia in Scamandam. You can't change your name or your handle on social media and think it's a reset and a restart. No, the bank account is the same. The money you've taken is the same. Don't make me call Angie Mtecha, okay? She's busy with the defense force. Don't make me call her. Ha! Ngiyamukela bomqo yami bomtaba kadad bomtaba kagogo bomtaba ka-aunty bomtaba kasisi. I am Sims and it's at the right Sims on Instagram, so please follow your sister. Akuskenywa la ngaphandle akuskenywa. Yeah, nomzamo mbatho. I think when you and your brother went into acting, you should have also plugged that one of your sister Wendy, because all of her business ventures are like a venture that is not a G-Wagon. OC, scamming people. Oh, sorry. According to her, she's not scamming anyone. She's just a business entrepreneur, person, woman, trying to give people their orders, but she's alone and everything is too much. It's overwhelming, but she does not mind giving bank details. No, you can keep ordering so that she can get the money in the bank. But the orders to go out is no, she wants to, but input of money versus output of orders is just a frictional 10/1 division of the bottomers. Yes, guys, Wendy Mbata, is the owner of several online businesses, okay? She owns that skincare line, she owns that waist trainer line, and then a lot of people have come to my DMs on Instagram and say they have ordered waist trainers when June 16 was still a movement that was going to be executed in 1976. Here we are in 2025, after we have celebrated the World Cup several times. The orders have still not arrived. Nelly M is turning in his grave right now. This is not what he said. South Africa. It's not what Nelly M died for. I'm an order. Wendy, I've seen your apologies, my sister. You've apologized in October, but it's December now, and people's orders have not arrived. Njani, it's not just the skincare, the waist. Wendy, come to my bank. Now check that nurse on. Puss. No, Wendy. If not you, then when? If not how, then why? Mm-mm. 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 Wendy, it's either you refund and you dissolve the business, go back to the drawing board and start over, my sister. Anyek, speaking about businesses, did you know that you can become a host on Airbnb without owning an Airbnb? Yebo, Gogs Holdings has got a stunning way for you to make money. Not the forex, not the go abroad, the what and who. No, fill in this Google form down below to show that you are interested in learning about hosting on Airbnb. There is also a booklet that you can read through before you sign up or do anything. Okay, this is your opportunity to make an extra income. We are all in Ramaphosa's economy, so we know. It's tricky, but yeah, man. So sign up and start making that call. Spaces and Co. What's the bar? Come to the bar. What? You scammed my Charlotte from management money for a couch, and then you act like you are a business, but actually you are not a business. You are taking pictures of furniture and then setting up this grand illusion that you are a furniture store. No, you are a scammer from Kuruman. You. Yebo. And I can't say Kuruman because Kuruman people don't scam people. But you are the first of your kind from Tsitikama. When? Now you've changed your name to Nook and whoever you think you are, changing your name. You can change your name, but your business model is a lie because you're not even a business. You are a person pretending to sell things, then taking people's money and knowing very well that you don't even know where the fabric shop is. You don't even know where a blanca to make that one couch is because you are just a beetroot without the vinegar and the sugar. Not even the chutney can redeem you. I hate beetroot with mayonnaise, but it's better than what you are doing to people. Hmm? Wena ufuna ukusenza ibhitruthi usidle phezulu naphansi siphila inkekebe. Yeah, we are not the black bullies back yakaKhet Matlala thina usibheke kahle ningasibhekanga ukujahile thina usibheke up to down. We are not a Gautrain, so we're not moving fast. We are moving like a shosholoza. So you can't think you can scam us and then it will just be a fast, quick story and we'll just move on. We can't. Where's the money? Where is the money? I'm on you. I'm keep my manibhekile mina ngizosilima. Manibhekile nje this month. Okay, sizocala January. January siyaqala sonke siyasilima, siyabiyeka utshwala. We leave alcohol in January. We are going to be. We're not going to buy the waist trainers from Wendy because they won't come in January. They won't even come next year. We'll go somewhere. But from January, watch. You know what I don't like about scammers? It's the fact that you take people's hard earned money and you know very well that you have no intention of delivering. Like, I hate that so much. I cannot tell you how much I hate that. Like, I work hard to be a CEO of management. Then ngiyakubhadala. Then ubona kahle ukuthi no, uSims, she doesn't need this waist trainer. She does not need this bra. Hi wena. Yeah, wena mkhufefe, mkhulu ukuthi wesigebengu. Hey, I'm a crook.